So we got good news. Just today, right? It signals lower capex. The first ever charging station that's co-built by NIO and a gas station partner. So CNOOC, they and NIO, they've put money together to build these charging stations. And the first one just went online today, and they had this event, which is really cool. And also, this really signifies things to come, because NIO has said that before, in the future, there's going to be swap stations and everything that's going to be built by these partners, and NIO is going to be operating them. So this is very, very interesting. And also, Tesla, just yesterday, they announced these bad earnings, but the stock really increased. All right, it exploded. So it went up by a lot, even despite bad earnings. But what about NIO? NIO, so Tesla stock went up with bad earnings. NIO stock is probably going to explode with good earnings, all right? Because we are expecting good earnings for NIO stock. As you can tell, the NIO owner of 23 NIO is always on the phone. Why don't we go and say hi? I already said hi to him. He's probably on the phone with William Lee. He was on the phone with William Lee when I just arrived. They're going to be both at the auto show, which is very, very nice. We got some customers inside the store, other customers inside the test drive cars. Very nice. So guys, here we got the NIO owner with 23 NIOs, brother Zhe. He's going to be at the auto show as well. So why don't we ask him a few questions? 最喜欢开哪台车？
我今天开着这个，我非常喜欢开我最早的第一台创始版。这台车已经是5年多了，2018年8月25号提的车。我昨天刚从扬州回来，然后一天9个小时40分钟吧，开了1000公里，非常棒啊。
我们这个北京车展马上就开始了。这个有什么可以期待的东西？
可以期待就是150度电池吧，估计应该可能很快就要让市场让我们能够用上了。据说啊，广州的未来的工作人员好像是从昨天已经往北京开了，他们是开车过来，然后应该是未来为这件事情也是来做一个打个小广告似的，他们在相应的站上，他们测算好的相应的需要换电的那个站上已经布好了150度电池，从广州是150度的 EP7吧，好像是往北京开，看看一路上换几次就可以到了。
这个150度电池也挺厉害的吧？它这个现在也是应该比油车的大部分油车续航差不多。
对，基本上追上了。我觉得如果要是按照这种就是比较好的这种理想的天气状况啊、路况条件呀，然后还有一个比较好的驾驶的习惯的话，我觉得应该说可以让大家感受到这个比油车跑的可能还远的那种感受。但是我觉得咱们日常的用户可能用不上，因为一口气开10个小时、8个小时不停车休息，也真的是挺痛苦的。
是。那个最近有打算买新车吗？
我又订了一台新巴，去年买了一台，然后今年家里人因为我父亲喜欢开，然后我姐又要开，然后后来我就又订了一个新巴，可能过完节去提那个新车了。
真棒。谢谢哲哥。Thank you.
Bye.
All right, guys, taking a look at NIO stock. NIO is up, Xpeng is down, Tesla is up. So far, we are up 2.24%, 4.10 cents a share. So apparently, we went up all the way to 4.20, and then we got rejected by this blue line. Wow. This was the previous blue wedge line that I said, hey, this would potentially be the bottom of the wedge line. So this is not looking too great. Obviously, we need the stock to go above 4.22 and then break above this red line, which is around maybe say 4.4ish, to have a solid short squeeze breakout. All right, that's what we're looking for. The stock right now being rejected means we might chug along here, might go down to this level, all right, back to 3.74, which we don't want it to go down, or hopefully it breaks above. Now, eventually it's going to break above this red line. It's a matter of when. Is it going to break above very soon, or
do we have to wait a while and it chugs along over here and then it breaks out? So eventually we're going to get that short squeeze. That could be following a good partnership announcement, but right now NIO is remaining steady. All right, looking at Li Auto is down significantly. All right, look at Li Auto, down another 3.71%. This is the lowest they have ever been in the past 52 weeks, making 52-week lows for Li Auto. Not looking too great for them. All right, obviously they got to refund all the money, so that means past profits are no longer there. Dropped all the way from 44, 41, all the way up to 44. All right, this was when they had the great earnings, and then dropped all the way down to now 23, almost half, a 50% drop since late February. So this is like a little over 1 month, almost 2 months, dropped by 50%. Crazy. Xpeng is doing all right, but NIO, guys, we really need NIO stock to hang in there. Right now, my theory, what I've seen is, so the margin requirements for some of my subscribers have increased from 30% to 70%. So what has happened is, ever since that move down below $4, a lot of longs that are on margin have been wiped out. So if they were wiped out, then perhaps, they're out of the game. It's forced selling. We got this bottom, right? This is them being wiped out. And then now, we got this nice pullback. And those guys that are wiped out, they're going to be buying back in because of FOMO. And then also short squeeze. And then more FOMO. That's going to really propel us up higher. And remember, we got so many catalysts coming up. In May, sub-brand launch. Apparently it's going to be in Shenzhen, or either Shenzhen or Shanghai. They're going to have an event over there. And then in June, we got the UAE launch. So lots of bullish things happening. So it's all good. Buy more NIO stock. That's what I'm doing. But yeah, hang in there, guys. Hang in there, guys. We need to break above this blue line first. Take this out, and then the moon is the next target. $7 a share to fill this gap, and then all the way up to $10 a share to fill this gap over here. Okay, $10 a share, and then afterwards we go up all the way to 13. All right, but my likely scenario is, more likely we're gonna explode out of here and then go up to $10 around here. Okay, that's my scenario. As always, stay safe, stay healthy,